Morning, switch from Motorcycle Garage. Just testing for spark at the moment on both. I'll try and show you the spark test. See how close we can get. There's definitely a spark there. Don't know. Oops. Let's just turn it, move this away a bit. Give it a longer gap. So that's there. Okay, here we go. Yeah, jumping that, so I don't, hopefully you could see. Difficult, really. Anyway, that's going. Yeah, I'm just testing at the moment. I'm just going to test the other side as well now. The front carburettor is leaking because I put the pipe directly up to it, feed the fuel. The new fuel pump that ordered is faulty. That's definitely faulty. Getting red hot, so that's a no-no. Got another one on order. I tested with the new CDI unit. I think is also faulty. The new one. It's quite ridiculous. Anyway, I won't comment any further on that because I'm coming to expect it. So there we go. So I'll carry on testing at the moment. Yeah, it's just progressive. So really, until I get the new fuel pump, I can't really test properly. But so I'm just going through everything else at the moment to what I can. Yeah, it's all good fun. See you later.